Heingang Apunba Nupi has urged to withdraw cases registered by NIA National Investigation Agency against Arambai Tengo leader Korounganba Khuman. The demand was made during a press conference held today at Ibudho Marjing Lai Haraubam, Heingang. Spokesperson Maitan Kaisangbam Sobasini emphasized that any attacks occurring during the ongoing conflict were initiated by Kuki militants. She further stated that the village volunteers, including those associated with Arambai Tengol, are simply defending the Meitei villages. Sobasini firmly asserted that no one has the right to arrest or charge Arambai Tengol or village volunteers, while questioning what would have happened to the community without their defense. She also urged the government to take immediate action for safe rescue of Laisham Kamal Babu, who has been missing from Laimakong Army Camp.
Aikoi tasengnamak Meitei haiba kangbusi kanagumba matana ngakpi senbiraktraba isa inaw kaya kaktuna hatuna minmangmangtada singduna hatpa aikoi khudimangna uraba ngaktani asigumlaba sahi ani surakadawa wathoga sida isa singasina aikoi pumna mangmangba tare kanbinaba leitre haiduna miyamarakta thoktuna isagi right haibadi private liberty isagi property ngaknaba aikoi gi life se kanjanabagi damakta thorakpa matamda asuki matik NIA na tamthiba e kaya pansilak Sidi tasengna aikoi nupi lip na yajabang amjaroi aikoi nupi loop tara humdo esina yamna strongly lebli madudi aikoi si isani isangak chaba matamda karigumba upaya ma thiduna aikoi jati se kanana mo hanarakpa haibasi masana tabani ngasi NIA na aikoi ge Korounganba da paliba ega se aikoi yaningde karigumba NIA sina paliba ega sina chumba taragadi ngasi phawada terrorist na Manipur da chathariba innocent people singbo haliba kuki militant sing dadi kari tawraga leiri wapam se aikoi ngasi gi nupi lup tara humdo esina thamoi sokna hangli